Today I am going to show you 3 fabulous oats recipes. These are vegetable oats, oats omelette or pancake, and oats patty. You will not even believe that how amazing these recipes come out to be. Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Before heading towards the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for sure. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and once heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle, then add some curry leaves as well as green chilies. Now here I have some vegetables. I have carrots, green peas, bell peppers, red, green and yellow, and some green beans. I'm going to add in all my vegetables here. You can take whatever vegetable you want. Then add some salt, mix it together, saute for a while, and then cover and cook for 5 minutes until the vegetables are 80% cooked. Now in a separate pan, take 1 cup of steel cut oats or dalia and roast it until it becomes slightly pinkish. Now let me show you how it becomes. It changes the color. So here is the difference between the raw and the roasted oats. See, the roasted one has slightly pinkish and white tint. So please roast it for at least 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes pinkish. Alright, now here my vegetables are 80% cooked. So I'll add in all my roasted oats here, mix everything together, and then add around 1.5 glasses of water. Actually, you have to add water just enough to cover everything. Look, this is how the water should look like. The water level should look like. Now let it boil rigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, and once the water reduces, see, like this, then add some salt and cover it for 5 minutes until everything is cooked properly. So see, in hardly 5 minutes, my oats are all cooked and puffed up properly. I'll show you. You can see each and every granule. So if you're going to follow the instructions properly, your oats or dalia will also come out to be amazing. Then add some roasted peanuts, handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, squeeze in half lemon or lime wedge, and then I personally add a tint of sweetness in my recipe. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. You can use a little bit of sugar or completely skip if you don't prefer at all. And here comes our utterly delicious and nutritious steel cut oats or dalia. This beautiful veggie oats is not only tasty but also super high in fiber, protein, antioxidants and whatnot. Try this recipe with either steel cut oats or dalia and trust me, it will be one of the staple recipes in your family.
Take half cup of quick rolled oats or old fashioned oats and blend it into fine powder in a blender jar. Oats are super easy to blend and it will hardly take a minute. Then add 1/3 cup of plain yogurt into it. You can also use simple homemade curd, and if you are a vegan, simply take any plant-based yogurt and you are good to go. If you don't want, you can even skip the yogurt. Also add little bit of water. Now here I am going to finely chop half onion, bell pepper and carrot in my manual chopper. If your quantity is big, you can chop everything in a food processor or even grate it. Add all the veggies in the oats bowl. Then add some chopped green chilies. You can take chilies as per your preference. 1/3 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, a pinch of garam masala, some red chili powder. You can also take smoked paprika or cayenne pepper, a pinch of cumin seeds and salt as per your taste. Then add water and make a good batter out of it. Then allow this batter to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, you can also add the spices of your own choice in this recipe. Now being an Indian, I love Indian spices, but you can absolutely choose whichever spices are your favorites. Then grease a pan or a griddle with some oil or butter, and once it is hot, pour a good 2 ladleful of batter. Don't touch it much. If required, you can slightly push the excess batter outwards to give it a nice round shape. Then leave it like that for 3 to 4 minutes, and when it starts to dry slightly and also get little pores on the surface, just flip it over and cook from the other side as well. So likewise, make as many pancakes as you want and enjoy.
Do you know just 1 cup of oats can give you delectable, super healthy and quick patties in hardly few minutes? Come, I'll tell you how. Take 1 cup of oats and dry roast it in a pan. I have taken quick rolled oats. You can also take old fashioned, but quick rolled would work best. Roast it on medium flame until it changes the color and becomes pinkish. This step will take 5 to 7 minutes. I'll show you the difference. See, raw oats look way more whitish and the pinkish one is the roasted one. So this is how you need to roast it. Now, I'm roughly crushing it in my manual chopper. If you want, you can also blend it into a flour. I personally prefer crushed oats instead of oats flour as I love those little bites in my patty. See, this is how they look once you roast and crush it properly. So take it out in a bowl and add your favorite veggies. I have used some finely chopped carrots, bell pepper, cabbage, handful of cilantro or coriander leaves, some green chilies as per your taste. Then add your favorite spices. I'm adding half teaspoon each of roasted cumin powder, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala, and some salt as per your taste. Toss all these dry ingredients and then add one boiled and grated or mashed potato. Just one potato will do the job. Well, you can also use boiled and mashed sweet potato instead of potato. Mix everything together, then grease your hands with some oil. Take out small portions out of the mixture and shape it in the form of a patty or a cutlet. In fact, you can shape it in whatever shape you want. Once you shape all the patties, heat up a pan and brush it with a tablespoon of oil. Now roast the patties from both the sides until nice and golden brown. In hardly 10 minutes, your patties will be ready. You can use these super healthy and delicious oats veggie patty in your burgers, sandwiches, in your pita pockets, tacos, or just like that with any dip of your choice. In fact, do you know? Oats is one such ingredient which is so versatile and you can innovate hell lot of amazing healthy protein and fiber rich recipes out of it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.